There's only one bedroom?
There's only one. We need heat bad.
Yes, sir.
Guess there's only one bed. Couches for the rest of us. What's up, guys? Today, our music video got canceled that we were gonna do, but that gives us a chance to go sightseeing and make this a fun vacation. This is gonna be a lot of fun going to New Orleans. It's a very country life down here in Louisiana, but it's all good. I've experienced country life before too. Let's go have some fun on vacation. What's up, everybody? We are headed to New Orleans. We're gonna have a lot of fun in New Orleans because I'm here and could possibly see some celebrities. This would be awesome to see some celebrities because in St. Louis, you see no celebrities. The best you might see is if you see one of the Cardinals players, and that is extremely rare. I'll give you more of a heads up once we get to the
big ass bone. We just went down.
finally made it to downtown New Orleans. And some of these buildings look really cool. And some of them look really old. What's up, YouTube? We are in Walk-On's bar and what's that? This Bistro or whatever. Apparently that's how you spell Bistro. Yeah, but what do you guys have to say about this?
Oh, that's not Bistro. That's their consumption. They say it like real thing. I love it.
Yo, what up, man? I want to shout out Green Spinach with Tuffins for making this a very successful trip. Shout out myself. Shout out to this video, man. Shout out Green Spinach, man. Green Spinach,
Yeah, definitely. Green spinach is going big out here in Louisiana. Got anything to say, Brandon?
Green spinach, gang, you know what I mean?
Definitely. Green spinach for life.